Hello, people of Internet Land. I've tried to record two videos and I didn't like how they turned out, so we're doing this again. Um, I am going to be playing Screwdrivers and I'm going to try to make content out of it. Even if the video turns out awful, I'm still posting it because I do not feel like recording another video. So, yeah, we're just going to wait for it to load. There we go. So this game basically is, we're going to go creative mode. You make vehicle out of like Lego and you drive vehicle. Now this is my car or off-roader I've made. Um it's pretty cool in my opinion. Although it does kind of suck when it comes to, everything. It's made out of wood and I don't want it to be made out of wood. So that still makes it work. Is there any way to make it not out of wood, or is it just going to be wood? I think it's just gonna be wood. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's start with a new car. New car, and we're gonna go ahead and engines. Also, anyone that's watching this and has like a decent PC and has Steam, this game is completely free, and I really do recommend it. It's really fun. Um, so we are going to first go ahead and grab. Oh man, they're coming up here. Okay. I think this may work. Or not, I guess. Okay. Let's go. Oh wait, no, I know what to do. We go like that. Do the same thing. Then we go ahead and put an engine on it. I think we're going to make this as chaotic as possible, so we'll go ahead and put that on there. Oh, so that's not going to work. Then we go ahead and do that. And there you go. Now, in order to attach some engines, we need a suspension. Now, I'm thinking I'm going to make this a so travel. What am I gonna do actually? What suspension am I gonna do? We'll just go small. Put that on there. Put that on there, and then we go ahead and go down. Let's make this a go-kart. Put some wheels on it, and look at that, moving vehicle. Then we're gonna go ahead and put some different. We're gonna go ahead and do 3, like that. Do the same, then just kind of rinse and repeat. Put that on. Put the wheels on, and then boom, vehicle. And then we also need to go ahead and deselect configure steerable. These aren't going to be steerable, and also these need to be connected, so I actually don't know how I'm going to do that. Well, let's just see how it drives now. Don't let it load. So, that was... What the... So it drives perfectly, as you can see. What is... Oh my god! What did I do wrong? What the... Okay, let's go and switch to the... Nope, that's still vomit. Okay, here we go. Why is it... Oh my god. So, I think I did something wrong. Like, really, really wrong. That was insane. I have never seen that happen before. Let's see if it worked, if I fixed it. I, in fact, did not fix it. Okay. Okay. That's, wow. That was something I was not expecting. Okay. Let's test if that should be connected now. Nope. Okay. What on earth? Did I? Yeah, no, that should work. You know, let's make this rear engine then. We go and get rid of that. Go and put, I think 4 should work. And then we can just go like a simple 2, no, because that wouldn't. Actually, wait, we can just do a full solid axle. Let's go 7. Or if it will fit correctly, which it doesn't seem to be doing. You go ahead and put an engine on there. Oh no, it's driving both. Okay, cool. Let's test it. Okay. So it's not causing immediate death again. So that's nice. Cool. We got a cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put some weights on the front. Oh boy. We go special. I think we go that. And we're gonna go ahead and put a weight on the other side too. Let's go ahead and test it now. There's a lot of testing and then building in this. That did not help at all. And it immediately flips. Wow. Okay. Maybe we just put a really heavy weight. And then that. Let's test if that works. It's probably not going to. Oh no, it fixed it a little bit. Oh. Okay, I see the problem. I see the problem now. That's flipping. That shouldn't be happening. So, I know a solution here. So we go and put that there, then we grab this, put that, and now that should all be connected to where it shouldn't flip when in reverse. Yeah, okay. Still not enough weight on the front, though. I don't know how to... You know why, though? It's because it's a rear engine, so we're going to go ahead and put a front engine. You know what? Here. We're going to make it super loud. But it's going to be 40 horsepower, because we're going to put 220 horsepower there, and then this should be front wheel, so it shouldn't... So, that shouldn't be happening. By the way, photosensitivity warning for the whole video, because this is going to get bad. Like, really, really bad. So this is going to be rough. I think if I go ahead and do that, and then just keep repeating that over and over, that should work. Connecting all that, and then let's see if it will. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. This is rough. Whew. Okay. I don't know how to fix that. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Get rid of that. We extend this. We do that. Do the same. Move that over there. I don't know why it's not. Oh, I know why. I did not mean to do that. Oops. Go ahead and edit that. Remove that. Then we can just that. I don't know why that's not working. Should be fine. I don't know why it's not. Maybe if it's like the wrong size. Is it a 9? It may be a 9 actually. So that might be my issue. Oh, yeah, okay. Or no? No? I don't know what's my issue. Okay, what did I do here? No, yeah, do that. So, I don't know how to fix this. It's just not securing. What is going on? I seriously do not know how to fix this. Alright. Maybe I could do, no? Okay, it is a 9. But I don't know how to... What is going on? That is a confusing part of this game. Some of the stuff doesn't make any sense. Oh boy. Alright. What do I have here? And... oh, that's the same. Ah! I see what's wrong. That needs this on it. Then we go 9. And it's just not gonna work again. Alright, cool. Of course it's not gonna work. Oh my gosh. Wait. Maybe that... okay, and then maybe I can put one on here. No, let's just do that. Okay. Then we can... wait. What? No, because that's a part of the suspension. Do that. Do that. Connect to those. Oh my god, why do I keep doing that? Yeah, this has gone pretty down the drain. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Yay to